In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import stock tax information into TurboTax. If you received investment tax documents from a brokerage account and want to save time entering everything manually, importing your stock tax information directly into TurboTax can make the process much easier. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get started smoothly. Begin by signing in to TurboTax and opening your return. Once you're on the main navigation area, move your cursor over the income section. You don't need to click right away if it opens as a menu when you hover. This section is where TurboTax organizes all the money-related parts of your return, including wages, interest, dividends, and investment activity. From there, click on Investments and Savings. This will take you to the part of TurboTax that handles stock sales, brokerage forms, and other investment-related tax details. If you have multiple types of income in your return, this section helps keep your investment information separate and easier to manage. Next, look for the Add Edit button and click it. This option lets you either enter new investment information or make changes to anything already listed. If this is your first time entering stock tax documents for the return, this is the step that opens the setup process. If you've already started and need to update something, this same button will still take you to the right place. After that, TurboTax may ask a confirmation question. When you see it, click Yes. This tells TurboTax that you do have investment-related tax information to include. It's an important step because it moves you forward into the import and entry flow instead of skipping the section. Now, you'll arrive at the screen where you can find your broker. Take a moment here and look through the available list carefully. In many cases, you can type the brokerage name into a search box to find it faster, especially if the list is long. Make sure you select the correct financial institution so your tax forms come from the right account. As a quick tip, before you begin the import, it helps to have your brokerage tax form nearby in case TurboTax asks you to verify any details. Also, if your broker doesn't appear right away, double check the spelling or try a shorter version of the company name. Once you've found your broker, you'll be in the right place to continue the import process inside TurboTax. That's it for this part of the setup, and you're now ready to move forward with bringing in your stock tax information accurately and efficiently.